Hi, I'm Erin from Wild Seeds SLP, and I strive to be a neurodiversity-affirming practitioner and share what I know with you so that you can help make a difference in autistic children's lives. It may have been a while since we connected, but it's for a good reason. Because I recently adopted a puppy, and while this new experience has enriched and enhanced my life in many ways, it has also come with many, many lessons. As I reflect on navigating this new part of my life, I wanted to share some percolating thoughts with you, but don't worry, I promise that this is still related to supporting neurodivergent kids. Keep listening to find out how I connect three guiding principles about neurodiversity affirming practices to my new puppy situation. So, my puppy Monty is not what you would consider a chill or an easy to manage puppy. And really, it feels beyond the typical puppy energy that I expected. While he is so intelligent, curious, and animated, he also seems to require constant attention, stimulation, and co-regulation. And please don't get me wrong here. I am not in the habit of comparing kids to dogs. Yet, I do recognize some parallels with what parents have shared with me about navigating situations with their kids. I usually only get to spend a snippet of time with kids in their homes or out in the community, but parents, caregivers, and educators are the ones that are doing the hard work in supporting kids throughout their whole day, every day. Navigating caring for a puppy has given me a little more insight into this and the energy required to offer continuous support for another. And it reminded me of the three guiding principles of neurodiversity affirming practice that I share in my workshop, Nurturing Neurodivergence. There are many more, but we focus on these three. The first is prioritize creating connection and a feeling of safety. The second is incorporate interests and passions into learning and play. And the third is demonstrate flexibility. And what I've come to realize is that these principles can be applied to many aspects of our lives when we find ourselves in the supportive role of another. And in thinking about the first principle, in order to support Monty to grow and thrive, it was important to me that I started from a place of focusing on creating connection, helping him to build a sense of safety and trust in his new environment and the new people interacting with him. This same principle is at the foundation for every client of mine. None of us can learn from a place of fear and mistrust in those around us. Our nervous systems will just simply not allow it. A child requires a strong need to trust the adult they are with before they are willing to learn new skills alongside them. This is mirrored in my interactions with my puppy, and my support motto still applies: connection over compliance. For the second principle, while helping Monty to learn new and important skills, it has required me to get creative and lean into my sense of play. I want him to enjoy learning and engaging with his new family, and so by focusing on learning through play, we've maintained trust and helped him learn the way he learns best. I use this exact same principle in supporting children. When we focus on starting from and incorporating a child's interests into our interactions and learning opportunities, we tap into the way they learn best. And if you remember, this is particularly important for autistic kids as they are often monotropic learners. For the third principle, life with Monty has really shown me the importance of needing to be flexible. There are more moments where everything seems to, be going swimmingly, and then boom, it feels like all of a sudden I've got a dysregulated puppy on my hands who needs support to find an outlet for his energy, something that isn't tearing up the furniture or jumping up to bite on my clothes. I know it can feel this way for the kids we support too at times. Things don't go according to plan, no matter how well thought out they may be. So, when working with kids, we have to be okay with needing to pivot, to changing our plans, pulling out a new tool or strategy to try, or even sometimes stopping to be still for a moment. This is a big part of creating engagement with kids, and we do this by being flexible with our thoughts and actions. I believe that life offers us many experiences to test out how we stay in alignment with our own personal values. And Puppy Monty has shown me the importance of staying true to my values in both my personal life and my role as a practitioner supporting autistic children. So there you have it, life lessons from a puppy. I'd love to know which guiding principle resonates the most with you in your experiences supporting neurodivergent kids. And I'll make sure to share more of my guiding principles with you in the future so that you can continue to go out there and make a positive impact in the world.